Volkswagen Passat B5. It was problem, was not working, nothing, not this window, not rear windows, nothing. After I find out that this was underwater, everything was rusted. I have cleaned this contact, but 3 contact connections was totally damaged. So I soldered, bypassed this connector, so I on directly on board. So all is good now. With this window switch, can open this door, this window, but it's not possible to control others. But with this you can control just this. So this doors is not communicated with others. So after changed that one and problem solved. Now everything is working as it should. So this one burnt out this one some way. So if you have something like that, if this doors is not cannot control other doors, change this one. See you next time.